Hello, friends. Myself, Dr. Jaivir Shah, Indian Patent Agent 3339, B Mechanical, ME Automobile, PhD in Mechanical. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 108 days challenge to crack patent agent examination in English. Why I'm mentioning English? Because so far, since last 5 years, I am teaching for the patent agent examination, and my majority videos are in Hindi. And this time, I'm going to conduct the whole crash course in English based on the request received from your side. So since last 5 years, 108 candidates out of 118 candidates have cleared this examination. Now, let's see how this 108 days challenge will progress. So section-wise, day-wise distribution is mentioned here. Means for the Patent Act, you will receive section number 1 to 10 video. This whole video will be of 1 hour of length. Means per video, the size of the video will not be greater than 1 hour. So on a day 1, you will receive one video that for the Patent Act 1 to 10 section. On day 4, you will receive another video for the Patent Act 11 to 21 section. In the similar patient, you will receive video till 108 day. Now, how to prepare yourself for the examination? In order to prepare it, what you need to do, once you receive the video, you need to watch this video, prepare your notes point-wise, WhatsApp me your notes, close your eyes and recap whatever you have written in your notes, and then recall it or revise it during the Saturday session between 9 to 11 p.m. So this Saturday session per week, one session is live session between 9 to 11 p.m. on every Saturday. And for the rest of the day, I will provide you the recorded videos through which you need to learn these things. Now, how to get access of the recordings? See, for the first 2 videos, I am giving you the access free of cost. But for that purpose also, you need to share me your email ID. And whichever email ID you have shared it to me, through the same email ID, you need to log in into the YouTube. That is the pre-most requirement in order to access those recordings. Now you need to WhatsApp me your name, your age. Age must be 21 years, more than 21 years. And you must have a science degree in your hand from the Indian university, and you are Indian citizenship, because these are the 3 qualification criteria in order to become patent agent. So you need to send me your details along with a request that you want to enroll for the English crash course. So mention me English crash course. So once you receive first 2 videos, after doing all the exercises as mentioned, or after attempting first Saturday live session, what you need to do, then I will provide you the payment details. You need to clear your payments on the given details, and after payment, share your screenshot. Now you will be curious about the payment terms, correct? Let's talk about it. So if you required only Patent Act recordings, it is possible. Initially, it was 19,999 amount, but if you are enrolling before 15th of August, then those videos will be available to you at 11,999 rupees cost. And after 15th August till 28th August, because 28th August is the last date to register for the patent agent examination. These recordings will be available at you at 14,999 amount. Okay, if you required only designer, the same cost is involved. Before 15th of August, it will cost you 11,999, not 19,999. Until 28th August, it will cost you 14,999. And if you want both of this, means Patent Act plus Design Act, then till 15th of August, the cost is 17,999. After 15th August till 28th August, the cost would be 19,999. Then this is for the one-time payment. Means after this payment, you will get this excess till the time you are not clearing your patent agent examination. So once you clear your patent agent examination, after all this procedure, once you clear your patent agent examination, at that time you need to pay 10,000 rupees to me. After clearing patent agent examination. So what it means? Suppose you are not able to anyhow, due to some unavoidable circumstances, if you are not able to clear this examination this time, maybe you are ill at the time of examination, you are not able to give that examination on the given date. Due to some medical emergency in your family, you are not able to give examination on that same day. Then the next crash course, whenever I will start the next crash course in English, this recordings, excess of these recordings will be provided to you, and that too free of cost. You need not to pay any cost till the time you are clearing this patent examination. So once you clear this examination, you need to pay 10,000 rupees afterwards. So total fees is the fees that you need to pay right now for the enrollment plus 10,000 rupees after clearing patent agent examination. So that's it from my side. If you have any query, you can contact me on my given number, which is 94261 41944. Wish you best of luck for your examination. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.